So now I'm getting ready to mount the towel bar above this toilet, and I put some paper up and drew some lines there. That horizontal line is 30 inches above the toilet tank. So when the towel is folded in half and is on the towel bar, it'll be above the toilet tank by about 2 or 3 inches. Then there's some horizontal line there, a vertical line there, and one over there. That's the width of the toilet. So I'm going to center the towel bar on the width of the toilet. So I finally got the lines drawn for where I want to mount the mounting brackets for the towel bar, and then they gave me 3 different mechanisms to install the mounting brackets. I think I'm going to use the one on the left there, those toggle bolts. The one in the middle can produce a reasonably good attachment to the wall, and on the right that's too small. I'm going to make sure the towel bar will fit over the mounting brackets, and they do. So I'm ready to install them. So now I got that towel bar installed, and I got a holder for the roll of toilet paper, and I installed 2 handles on that bath vanity. So we're getting a shower door installed in this shower this afternoon. This shower has not been used for 13 years, but it'll be functional tomorrow. Making progress.